In 2026, Amazon has escalated its crackdown on third-party apps by blocking them at the installation level or disabling them upon launch if they are identified as providing unlicensed content. This affects all Fire TV devices, including the Fire TV Stick 4K Max and newer models.
Use an app cloner. A primary workaround in 2026 involves using a cloner tool. By cloning a blocked app, the system may fail to recognize the shady package name or signature, allowing it to run.
Version swapping is a specific version of an app is blocked. Installing an older or newer version of the same APK can sometimes bypass the signature-based block.
Restore developer options. If your developer options have disappeared, navigate to Settings, My Fire TV, About, and click the device name 7 times until you see You are now a developer.
Check for blocked settings. Amazon frequently resets privacy settings via updates. Ensure Collect App Usage Data and interest-based ads are turned off in Settings, Preferences, Privacy Settings to reduce background monitoring.
The Vega OS. Warning: if you have the Firestick Select model, it uses Amazon's new Vega OS, which is not based on Android. This model currently has no known fix for sideloading most third-party apps.